Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my another exciting video, and today's video I'll be talking about a new police surveillance drone, and it's called SY120UAS. Drone is very popular these days because most of the people doing many things with drones, especially in industries. So in this video I'll be talking about these drones. This is a hexacopter and what we can do with these drones. So before starting the video, I'll give you a basic specification about this drone so you can get a better idea how powerful this drone is. So the fuselage weight of this drone is like 9.5 kg, and it also can carry another extra 5.5 kg. That means if we put something on it, it can carry. We already know that Amazon already use this kind of drone to transport their goods one place to another place. So this drone also can carry 5.5 kg. Depending on the load, the maximum operating time of this drone is like 60 or 65 minutes. I know all of you know today's this kind of drones cannot fly too much. So these drones can fly almost 1 hour. So certainly is a good drone, and the battery is LiPo battery. I mean lithium polymer battery. It's very good for discharging and charging quickly. The body materials of this drone is fully carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is a strong composite material, is really good than other metals. So this drone really has a good strength. Okay, now I'll talk about the controlling range. We can control this drone from 3 to 5 km from the controlling station, and the maximum height of this drone is 3000 meter. That means we can send this drone to 3000 meter above from the ground level, and we can control it from 5 km distance. You can control this drone manually with the joystick, and also can control it automatically by software. So I'll show you later. So this is the basic configurations about this drone, and this drone can be used by police to surveillance, and also can be used by firefighter departments, and there's many kinds of use and purpose of these drones. We also can use the powerful camera like a DJI camera. So we can adjust two kinds of camera, like 10x camera, I mean 10x zoom, and we also can add 30x zoom. So if we need more zoom, then we can use 30x zoom. And the sensor of the camera is like CMOS and is 2.13 megapixel video lens. This camera has two kind of lens, one is tele lens and also wide angle lens. So we can get wider angle and also can get tele or zoom. The photo format is a JPG, and we also can shoot the full HD 1080p video. We can save it as MOV format or MP4 format, and there is also some other general facilities as like our camera, like white balance, shutter speed, many things. And we also can use 64 gigabytes of memory card, so we can shoot the video and can save the video on the memory card indirectly, or we can also transmit the video to our ground station. To stable the footage or to get the better view, there's a gimbal. So certainly we can get a very good stable footage from this drone. And the operating temperature of this drone is -20 to 60 degree, and it's also water resistance, I mean IPX3 certified. So if there is a little rain outside, then this drone also can fly. At the end of the video, I will show you how to fly this drone, and I will show you some footage that we shooted with this drone. Okay, so now if you buy this drone, what items you will get with this drone? So number one, you will get a hexarotor aircraft, I mean fully carbon fiber integrated hexarotor aircraft, including carbon fiber frame, motor, rotor, power system, and 3-axis stabilized camera, I mean 10x or 30x, whatever you need. So if you need more zoom, then you can get 30x zoom lens, and if you want a little zoom, then you can use 10x zoom camera. And you also provided by flight control airborne system, I mean including the software. And you can also get iPad or GCS box, I mean ground station system, including the remote control and GCX software. So this ground system is important if you want to transmit the video to any monitor. This ground station comes very handy. This ground station is fully equipped with Windows 7, and you can see the real life position and also attitude indicator and all the primary flight display. I mean in the aircraft that we have the primary flight display, so you can see the aircraft roll, pitch, motion, everything here. So it brings more feel like a real aircraft. you also can fly this from by your iPad. Most of the drones in recent days is mainly flown by iPad or mobile because it's very handy. So yeah, you also can use iPad. And then you will get two battery, 25,000 mAh battery that can fly your drone like for 1 hour. Then you will have a transportation box and other tools for general or basic maintenance. So yeah, these are the items that you will get. Okay, if you want to buy this drone, you can contact with me, because depending on your quantity we can negotiate the price a little bit. So if you want this drone, you can contact with me directly. Now I will show you how to fly this drone with the iPad, and then I will show you some footages that we have shooted by this drone. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you learned many things about these drones. And if you have any questions, any comments or any compliments about our channel or our drone, you can comment down below, or you can join our Facebook page, join our Facebook group. If you have any inquiries, you can text me directly, or you can contact with our team in our YouTube channel. And welcome only to see our next video. Till then, I hope you'll be doing good. See you our next video. Happy flying.